This is Proud Source Spring Water. It is the sexiest tasting water I have ever had in my life. It is alkaline 8.5, which is fantastic. It tastes so refreshed. Like I just took my little canteen and went to the source of where it came from. It came from Idaho, and it's a family-owned company, and I just love their idea of bringing water and making it more accessible in a sustainable bottle, such as this aluminum can here versus plastic. It has tons of minerals and electrolytes in it, such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, silica, and so much more. Having access to really good hydrating water is really important. Leading a busy life as a business owner, a teacher, a guide, Proud Source is something that I can grab on the go. I don't have time to think about, oh my God, where am I gonna get water from? I don't have time to stop. So if I can just have a few of these in my car with me, it's like I'm getting my water intake throughout the day. I would recommend this for anyone who wants to live their best life. And it could be anyone who's really looking to take their health to the next level and be in charge of how their mind works, how focused they are, and how clean they feel on the inside. I love this water, and you will too.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.